congratulations. If you're watching this video, it obviously means that you've had a good results day and you've got the grades that you wanted. I'm glad that all the hard work has paid off. For a lot of you who've been tuned into this channel over the past couple of months, it means you're now confirmed to be starting your degree apprenticeship in September. Obviously, there are a couple of grade requirements that you had to get, but now that you've got those grades, you're going to be starting that degree apprenticeship in a couple of weeks from now. That's really great to hear. Feel free to leave down in the comments below what company you're starting at and what degree apprenticeship you're going to be doing from September. So I'm now approaching the end of my first year as a degree apprentice. I started in September 2023. And just two key things really that I've experienced in my first year personally as a degree apprentice. First of all, I've managed to receive 2 pay rises in my first year as degree apprentice. And on top of that, I've managed to do 0 extra work on my evenings and weekends. You might have heard with degree apprenticeships, it can, for a lot of people, can be a very big workload. You're obviously having to do a full-time job and also study for a degree. And a lot of people have to do overtime, spending evenings, weekends, doing that sort of thing. I've managed to maintain that sort of work-life balance, work-university balance, and I haven't actually had to do any work outside of my evenings and weekends, and I've managed to sort of manage that workload perfectly well. So over the past year, basically getting these 2 sort of achievements here, I've managed to learn a lot about how you can succeed, how you can excel in a degree apprenticeship. And actually everything that I've learned, I've packaged into this course which I've got titled How to Excel in a Degree Apprenticeship. So this course, we've already had some really good reviews from people who've been on this course. Feel free to pause the video and have a read of some of the reviews that we've got here. But I just wanted to tell you about this today because I'm now putting on a 30% discount for this course. As it's A-level results day and you've got the grades you wanted, you're starting a degree apprenticeship, I thought I'd put on this discount for you, so it's going to be 30% off using the discount code RESULT. Okay, so if you're interested in that, you want to learn how to excel in your degree apprenticeship, do really well, what to do in your first few weeks, first few months, and the first year of your degree apprenticeship, then feel free to join this course. You can either click the link in the description or click the button which will be on screen right now. Once again, congrats on your grades and have a good time celebrating. See you in a bit and I'll see you inside the course. Peace out.